compulsorily acquired. You know what this means, don't you? They're acquiring it compulsorily.
It must be a mistake.
And they're going to take our place and we don't get a say in it.
Well, how can they do that?
I don't know, $70,000. I'm not interested in compensation. I don't want to go.
All right, Mr. Carrigan, I'll state this simply. There is an ironclad agreement between federal, state and local governments and the Airports Commission.
Yeah? Well, where's the agreement with Darryl Kerrigan, 3 Highview Crescent, Coolaroo? Where's that agreement?
What's this Dennis Denuto like, Darryl?
Oh, he's a lawyer. This is about the law. He's got to know what he's doing.
All right. Give me one moment, and I will. It's the Constitution of Australia. This is a blatant violation of the Constitution of the Commonwealth of Australia. And when it comes to violations, they don't come any bigger.
What section of the Constitution has been breached?
Section? What section? There is no one section. It's just the vibe of the thing.
I find in favour of the respondent.
Yes! It's them, Darryl.
But we was responding to them.
We lost, Darryl. I'm sorry.
But we've been to the federal court. How much further can we take it?
3 weeks later, Mr. Hamill, Dad and Dennis went to the High Court in Canberra. Laurie asked Dennis to be his instructing solicitor. Dennis was stoked, but shitting himself at the same time.
I'm shitting myself.
Shall we? Let's dig it up.
And so Dad, or as he was called by the judge, Darryl John Kerrigan, sat in the High Court of Australia and put his case. Or at least Mr. Hamill did. Dennis was very helpful too. He was passing books around like a librarian. He even learnt Roman numerals especially for the trip.
Paragraph 31.
Thank you, Dennis.
But Dad reckoned there was no doubt about it. From the moment he stood up, Mr. Hamill was the star of the show.
Section 51, paragraph 31. Parliament shall have power to make laws with respect to the acquisition of property on just terms. Let's think about those words, on just terms, and how they relate to real people. Your Honour, my client built his home by the law, but does he have the protection of the law? How can the forcible removal of a family, a good family, from their home, have the blessing of our Constitution? How can that be just terms?
Well, my client has adhered to the law, every statute, from the Town Planning Act to Civil Aviation Regulation. He has even approached the appellant with an offer of compensation. A generous offer, considering the nature of the dwelling, or as it might more accurately be called, eyesore.
What are you calling an eyesore, Darryl? It's called a home, you dickhead.
Your Honour.
Darryl, and it's a bloody fine one.
In the end, who knows whether it was Dad's words or Mr. Hamill or even Dennis's note passing, but we won the case.
In favour of the appellant.
Shit.
That's us.
Bullshit. We won.
We won.
You little ripper! Thanks, lads. We won.
Dad was stoked, but suitably restrained.